Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the just the watch list and like this, like movies watch, series watch, and like movies and watch lists, etc. So when we search for a movie, let's say Batman, right? Let's say that we have watched this movie. We just want to click here and like watched, or we want to add in a watch list. We need to create like two views for that, and let's go to the let's go to movie. Here's where we're going to work. Let's go to the bottom and here. So here, let's create a new view called add movies to watch, right? This will take a request and the IMDB ID, right? Let me check. Yeah, so we need to import from Authid import dot models import profile, right? And also we need to import the user. Let's copy that, let me throw here. Okay, let's continue here. So we need to get the movie, right? So movie will be equal to movie.objects.get, and we're going to search by ID, right? By the IMDB ID. Let me check. Yes, IMDB ID will be IMDB ID, right? That's how we get the movie. But now we need to get the user. Let's just get it from the request, right? And we need to get the profile. So profile will be profile.objects get, and here we get the user. Okay, so now we just need to add the movie to the whatever list you have. So this one is add movies to watch, is this field here. And yeah, to watch. So basically we just put profile, because we have it here, to watched that add, and then we pass just the movie, and that's it. And basically here we just put HTTP response redirect, and we want to redirect the user. Let's put reversed. We want to redirect the user to the movie details. Let me see if that's the name of the URL. Yeah. Let me see, HTTP response redirect, and no, oh yeah, we have to import the reverse. We don't have it here. Okay, let's just go here from Django.urls import reverse. Okay, yeah, that's for the add movies to watch, and we're missing one. We're missing add movies watched movie that we have watched. So let's just create add movies watched. Same thing. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Let's just copy the whole. Let's go here. Yeah. Oh, we need to change the field here. The field is watched. Okay. Okay, reverse. And here we pass the arguments, and argument it's IMDB ID for the movie details, because this URL requires the IMDB ID. Okay, that's why we pass it here. And yeah, that's it. Let's save that, and let's go to, let's check here. I think we have to add it like here. I mean, it's not necessarily, but let's just put it like here, and then IMDb ID, because that's from, we are in the movie details basically. So actually, let's just move this one here, right? Let's put it here. Add movies to watch. Oh, let me see. Add to movie watched, right? And then let me check the views, because we don't want to mess with a typo here, right? Because this is the URLs. And oops, you see? Be careful where you're pasting. Add movies to watch. That's the URL. Let's copy this one, but first let's put a comma here. Paste it over here, and then let's get this one. Paste it over here. Let's copy here. Let's change the name. Add movie watched, right? I don't know. Just creating like a random URL, so you don't have to. You just put whatever you want. And yeah, that's it. We have our two views, and let's go to the template here. Movie details. And here on the buttons, okay, here. So we have, this is the watch list, and then, okay. So here, what you want to do, I'm gonna pass the URL, and then the name of the URL. Where is that? Here. Add movies to watched, put it here, and then here we just pass the IMDb ID. Where is it? Let's just get it from here. Actually, we're missing that data here, right? Yeah. Let me just copy this one. I think it's like that. If we, I don't know. Let me check. Yeah. Whatever. Oops. Copy. Paste it here. Let's copy the whole thing. And this is for oops. Save. Invalid syntax. Probably missing a comma over here. Yes, here we go. Save. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, here we have the IMDB ID. Yeah, we can just, as you can see in the URL here, the URL you can see the working. So let's add this movie to the watch list. Let me see if it works. Let me see. 187. Oh, this is capitalized here over here because here that's the model that we just imported. Yeah, that's why. Let's save that. Okay, lots of typo. Okay, let's add this movie to the watch list. Let's save that. No reverse. Okay, something wrong here with the. Let me check the URLs again. Movie details. And movie details. That's interesting. Oh, yeah, we're missing. That's why we're missing. HTTP response, redirect reversed. This comma doesn't go here. It's, yes, that's why. This comma goes here, here, haha. Here we go. Let's try again. Oh, actually we added it into the watch list. Let me check. 201. Here, save that. Let's refresh. Watch list. Okay. Now let's check with. Let's log out. Now let's add it to the watched list too. Okay. Admin. What was the other user that we created that has an? Oh yeah, I think it's yeah, like Lara code root. Let's just create. Oh, we need to. We need to set the admin site register for the profiles. So import profile. Okay, admin that site that register profile. Save that. Let's refresh. Profiles. Let's add a profile for this user. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. URL that google.com. I don't know. Profile info. Okay. Here you see like no movies. These are the movies that are in our database, by the way. Let me check. Oh. it's asking us for that. But yeah, let's just choose these ones. Yeah, we have a profile for this user. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the admin, profiles, and Bill Gates. And as you can see, here are the movies. Let's try with another movie, right? Let's put Lord of the Rings. Let's put this one. Let's say that he wants to watch it, right? Watch list. Now let's go to the admin. Let's check. Oh, that's in my profile. Sorry, this is like Lara Code profile. So yeah, Lord of the Rings, as you can see here. I want to watch it. I want to do something different for the watched, because we want to do all of this like automatically. So if the person, let's go, let me see, movie here. Oops, let's go to the views. So let's say that we have this movie like Lord of the Rings in our to watch list, but we ended up like watching it. So we want to remove this movie from here because we already watched it. So let's go here to the add movies watched, and we have to do something different here. So first we need to check here if we have it in our watch list. So if profile that to watched, then just filter, and then we just by IMDB ID, right? We just pass the IMDB ID. So if this exists here, that means it's in the watch list. So we'll have to remove it, right? Remove movie, because we have it in the watch list and we added as a watched. Okay. And so now, oops, after we remove it, we can just add it to the watched list. If not, just put it here. Just put in the watched. Okay. Just like that. Very simple. So let's try that. So let's say that we have in the to watch list, but let's say that we watched it today, right? Let's go to the Lord of the Rings. This one, the Fellowship of the Ring. We have watched, so we watched it. Okay, let's just click here, and then let's refresh the admin side, and as you can see here, it was just removed. So we can also work with the profile. Oops, here the profile. So we cannot like basically like know if we have in the movie. Here in the movie details, basically just show if we have like these movies in the, if we have watched these movies or not, so we can like basically like change the color here of these buttons. Okay. But yeah, we're going to do that later. In the next video, we're going to work with we have the watched and watched list ready. So in the next video, we're going to work with the rate and also like just rating the movies. Okay. This is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.